Good news, good news, good news. You know, when we started mining this Starz network, we all downloaded the APK app. Do you still understand? Do you still remember? I hope you guys still remember. Good. Now, there is an official information coming from the Starz network. There's an official information coming from them. If you read from here down, it said big news. Starz network is officially on Play Store. It's officially Play Store approved. Our powerful Web3 mining app is now heading to the Play Store. That means if you downloaded or you got your app through the APK format, delete it. As far as you have your login details, I would advise you, delete that one. Okay, then head over to the Play Store, get it downloaded. What I said, understand, it says secure, fast, Web3 driven. A new era begins. Get ready to experience mining like never before. I hope you are reading this in with me. Are you getting it? Good. It says, check this information here also. I'll always show you evidence. That is one thing with the crypto authority. So, the future of mining is in your pocket. No expensive rigs. Okay? Just like your phone and the Starz network app. One tap to start. Light, fast, and battery friendly. Download now. Start mining today. So, don't need expensive gadget to start mining or farming Starz network. Just your phone. Charge your phone and start business. Yes, you heard me well. Start business. No dull moment. Are you getting it? Alright. So, for some of you that don't know what Starz network white paper is talking about, this is just an abstract. It's a Starz network is a decentralized mobile first mining ecosystem designed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Do you hear that? Using a gamified tap to mine, mobile app connected to a secure cloud backend. User can mine the Starz network token without technical knowledge or hardware. Is true. Understand? So by combining Web3 social media, DAO governance, and real world utility through smart contract functionality, Starz, just read by yourself. Let me knock out my tongue because of big English. Oh, we go chop this money together. Don't give up. Okay? You guys should not give up. You all know. Look at it. Starz network, one tap, one mission, one network. Look at. Read these things. Total supply is 2 billion of Starz network, and it will be coming on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. That's BEP20. Good. This one sweet me well. This one sweet me well. So they said we are aware of ongoing balance issues affecting some account. If you are facing this, please send us mail. Read this information. If you are facing this, send a mail, okay? Send us your mail via inbox so we can look into it and resolve it quickly. Thanks for your patience and understanding. That was 5 days ago. Good though. I like, showing you guys evidence. So I should not be say I just the quote from my head. Alright? That is it. So I don't want this video to be long. If you have not started farming, I just watching. Please check the comment section or the description of this video. Check out my own Starz network app. I've downloaded it from Play Store. Check out how beautiful it is. Now this is my own balance. Okay, it's already mining. I seen it. So I'll come back in 24 hours time to activate it. So can you see how beautiful the interface of my Starz network app is looking? Just because I deleted the APK app, I installed this very app through Play Store now. So once you download your own from Play Store, your interface will be exactly like my own. So beautiful. Alright guys, so see you in my next video.